Afternoon mga guys, ang tuturo ko sa inyo ngayon kung paano mag-withdraw yung earn interest sa Trading USA, kung paano i-withdraw. Una, magla-login ka lang. Click login. Ayan. Kapag nasa login ka na, click cash out. Click cash out. Ayan. Click cash out. Ayun. I have $80. 80.40. I will withdraw $79. Yan. 80.40 I have. I will withdraw $79 only. Lalagay mo lang $79 and then i-click mo to. Make withdrawal request. Pag na-click mo na to at meron nang lumabas na ganito, successful withdraw, okay na. Na-withdraw mo na yung $79. Ayun. Meron natira na $1.40 kasi $79 I will withdraw. Okay? Ayan. Pag lumabas to, ibig sabihin successful na na-withdraw nyo na yung dollar ninyo, earn interest ninyo sa trading. Yun lang po. Salamat po at God bless po.